In front of me is Realme 6 Pro, and let me show you how to remove all downloaded apps with their data on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and pick additional settings, choose backup and reset, and now click on erase all data. Here you will notice erase downloaded apps and their data, so you have to mark it and then confirm that you would like to remove downloaded apps with their data by tapping on erase data. And now you have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone, and if you truly want to do it, just tap on erase data. And that's it. Now you have to patiently wait, your device will be restarted and then you'll be able to use it in a normal way. And now you can set your device and all the settings one more time, so just let me pick the language, then the region obviously. Now, if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, click on next, connect your device to your Wi-Fi, and then click on next. Now if you'd like to pick this option, just mark it, but I will leave it this way, tap on next then. And if you'd like to copy data from your previous phone, you can do it right now, but I will skip it for now, or from Google account. And now you can enter your Google account if you would like to do it, but I will skip it for now. Let's do it quickly. And now you've got some Google services, just accept them. And let me do it later as well. And that's it. As you can see, just click on get started and now you can smoothly use your device and all app data has been removed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.